Motorsport. So as you can see, we've got a mini F56 John Cooper works in today, and we're going to be installing our brand new induction kit. So this is the pre-LCI model, but this induction kit's also going to work with the LCI model, which just has a separate MAF housing. But we're going to show you that later in the video. So first things first, what we do is remove the stock intake so we can get to installing our brand new one. So let's get into the video. So now that we've removed our stock intake from our Mini, we now have our brand new Airtec Motorsport one all laid out as it will come in the box. We've laid it out and shown you everything. So we're now going to actually start by building our airbox itself. It's got just some simple push clips in our fittings here, and you'll also see there is a barcode on here as well, so you can scan that and read through fitting instructions as well, in case you didn't want to watch a video and have a different way of seeing them and just double check things. So you have that option as well, but here's all the parts laid out. The only difference, if you have an LCI model, this pipe work here will be ever slightly so different, but we're fitting to a pre-LCI, so it's just how the MAF sensor sits. But now we have our stuff laid out, we're going to get to building up this airbox, and I will show you step by step how this fits together so we can get it in the vehicle and get our intake set up. Now that we've built up all the sides and the bottom of our airbox, we've got the lid ready to go on. We're just going to wait until we get it into the car and get the filter in. Here we have our Airtec Motorsport filter. This is one of our larger ones as well. And then we have the silicone pipe, and we have our 18 diameter alloy pipe for the intake as well. So this one here is the pre-LCI and this one's the LCI. Simply the only difference is how the MAF houses are. They're different on the vehicles, so that is the only difference, but we do sell them for both. So this intake fits both the pre-LCI and the LCI. Just make sure to choose the correct version when ordering. So yeah, now we're going to go into actually installing the intake. So first we'll get the airbox in, then sort all our pipe work out, get it all plumbed up, and then hopefully get some nice videos of how it sounds afterwards. So there we have it, we've now installed our brand new induction kit to the F56. As I said before, it works on LCI and pre-LCI, in case you was wondering. It looks great, it sounds great. I'll put the sound clips right here. As you can see, sounds much better with the intake in, and it makes the engine bay look better as well. It still uses the functionality of the stock air guide as well, which is also really great and beneficial to the car. So it looks great, sounds great. Yeah, that's it done. We also have the intercooler and boost pipes and more parts coming for this car very soon, so make sure you keep an eye peeled on the website. So thank you for watching. Please leave a like if you enjoyed and hit that subscribe button. See you in the next one. Keep it Airtec.